Well, there's the swans. A couple thousand coots mixed in with a bunch of, maybe a couple hundred mallards and other ducks. Oh. Pintails. All right, well, I found the resting pond. Got some swans on the state sign there, so that's kind of cool. It's got a bunch of swans in it, but that's not where we can hunt, so we're gonna go ahead and head to another area. Gonna kayak out, make some trash bag decoys, and see what we can get. Just about to head out. We got our boats loaded up. Gonna get on the water, go look for some swans. We've heard trash bags work, so what we're gonna try doing is a little trash bag spread. Obviously, we're gonna pick it up at the end. Don't be those people. I always see posts on the waterfowl page here talking about giant spreads of just garbage bags just left. This is the craziest spot. There's just dead ducks, like old ducks dead. But then there's also all these nests just built up onto the beaches. And there's another big one. They're just huge. And then up on top is a bunch more. Yeah, right there. Yeah, they're just built all over this thing. Hidden up in the brush there. This one's pretty cool. A little thorny for me. You ready to see some janky shit? All right, well, hey, we're building our decoys right now out of trash bags. We're gonna have a giant spread. And we just had a duck buzz us probably 20 yards? Yeah. 20 yards max, and we should have been shooting. But we're making some funky decoys because we're hunting swans. All right, so what you do for a trash can decoy, take it, open it all the way up. Make it as big as you can. Pull these little levers in so you can reach them. Take it, throw it up, real quickly, wrap that end up. Pull it tight, pull it tight. Take one of the hands, wrap it around, and then tie her up. Take the other end, pull it out. Tie it on to make it longer, and then you can tie it down to something.
Well, we are also making decoys out of trash bags.
Yeah.
So
now's not the time to be talking about our intelligence.
We're gonna have someone in the boat come by and be like,
First pelican of the trip. Super blurry to see. That's really pretty. That's cool. And our decoy spread. All right, well, hey, we're building our decoys right now out of trash bags. We're gonna have a giant spread. And we just had a duck buzz us probably 20 yards?
yeah.
20 yards max, and we should have been shooting. But we're making some funky decoys because we're hunting swans.
You want more, or I think this might be. You want to do all 50?
I kind of want it. Will we bottom? I don't know. He's about to drop this pelican. What's coming towards us, dude? What is that? You see that? Do you see it?
Swimming towards us?
Yeah. Swimming. There are two swans swimming towards us. Shut up. There are. I'm not even fucking kidding you, dude. Where? Straight out. Do you see them? No. How close? Literally straight out. They're like, oh my god. Sorry. There are two swans on the water. Yeah. Leave your camera there. You're terrifying. Please help me to shoot straight. They're swimming so fast. What? Crawl up there. There's swans swimming towards us right now. Bring me the binos so I can see what they are. They're not making noise. No, come on. Hey, I just heard the ooh, ooh. Yes, I want to stay right here. She's still swimming towards us. All right, well, me and Brad basically just decoyed some swans into some garbage bags. They swam maybe like, they're probably 20 yards past our decoy bags. So I just wasn't comfortable taking that shot. And then they went around the corner here and I paddled over there, but they're just too close to another person's spread. So I backed off and then they shot at them, missed them. They got up, flew around. They came close to ours. And there's another spread on this side of us as well. And those guys shot at it and got one out of that flock. Hopefully it's a legal bird. Their swan is over right in the center of the camera. It's kind of hard to see him. Let's see if they're able to get him. Dude, I can't believe the swans all just wanted to keep circling over this. Oh yeah, they're heading perfectly at it. They're gonna hit the island and then they'll be on top of it. Yeah, that swan's down, they got it. Maybe not. They just got beached. They're like 100 yards from it. Is that a swan right there? That is. Flying to the right. Yeah, right there. Woo! 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 Dude, he went over the dike. He went over the dike. Yeah, he flew over the dike, dude. God damn it.
I'm sorry, but I'm gonna kind of laugh at that island. It's gonna be like perfect.
Dude, he totally went just over the end too. We didn't know. I mean, we had all that action we just had. We'd have been over there pissed about that over there. So who cares? That's one swan.
Oh, they're calling. They're calling.
Those are the guys.
I know, but why are they calling?
They're probably calling the swan that just came at them. They probably heard me. They sound a lot better than us. Should we practice a little? Practice hooing. I heard a cluck there. Hold on. Oh, there they are.
What is it?
They're like swans flying about 3 miles past the dike. Maybe up to 7. I think there's swans still flying just below them too though. You see them?
Mm-hmm.
Flying to the left.
That's a whole herd. Oh, dude, it goes across the horizon.
Yeah. That is a freaking ton of ducks, dude.
Where are they going is the question.
Flee into my belly.
Right. I heard that one.
See? Leave them right there. That's it. Those are the ones. We're on the wrong end of the lake. They're not getting low. They might be low enough. That low one, I'll bet you he's gonna get shot at.
They're great. They come down here.
Oh, dude, they're gonna shoot this swan. They missed. It's still like cupping in. Oh, dude, hit it. Why didn't we hear? Oh, did it shit? What was that?
Oh, look up, look up, look up right now. Look up right now. Up, right there. Take it, take it, take it, take it. Oh my God. Oh, look up right now. Look up right now. Up, right there. Take it, take it, take it, take it. Oh my God.
Please. Yes! Oh! Dude! Oh! We did it! We did it!
Is it good? Yeah! Lift it, let's see it.
Dude! Oh! Dude!
Oh! Dude! Oh! Yeah, dude!
Rick, yeah!
Yeah, dude, let's see that thing.
Dude! Mm. I can't believe we did it, dude. Oh, dude, keep...
Is that gun?
Yeah! Do you see it?
See what?
The smallest patch of yellow on him, but it's there.
Alright.
It ain't no 6 feet long, dude.
No, that's... You didn't see it. I was like, dang.
I can't believe I wouldn't have gotten this without you, Brad. No. Thank you, dude. Oh. First swan, guys. First frickin' swan. First out of state tag for me, too.
Hell yeah.
That's it. I'm paying the $1,200 to get him mounted. No, I'm joking. Holy cow. Dude. Look at them all coming, dude. Oh, do we just sit down and enjoy the show now or something? Oh my God, dude. Dude, the ducks are flying too. Dude, one shot to knock him down. Dude, I just kept shooting though, dude.
That was impressive.
It was one shot to knock him down, but oh, I kept following up, dude. Oh, dude. I
think the only thing I got out of my mouth was take it, take it, take it.
Dude, you suck.
Like, what? Dude, that thing augured in. I was like,
dude, I dropped him, dude.
Just
yeah, dude, there's blood all over his head. Oh, dude, I hit like his breast or something too there.
Yeah, dude.
Oh my goodness. Oh, dude. Thanks so much for coming here, Brad. I've never put so much time into a bird. Oh.
Give me a hug, man. Give me a hug.
I am. Oh, dude, I feel like. I feel like a little kid. Oh yeah, pick this thing up, dude. Come on, guys, leg.
Holy shit, dude. The fuck?
Oh, let me get a picture of you holding him, dude. Oh, yeah, dude. Oh my goodness, dude. Holy cow. How heavy is that thing, do you think?
It's pretty hefty.
I actually brought a scale. Dude, just because I'd be curious.
You should get him mounted. I think you should.
It's not as big as I thought. Maybe I should.
I think you should. I think you should.
I can't believe this spread worked, dude. It totally guided them this way instead of going farther over and stuff.
All of your reactions, you did not notice that was coming at all.
I didn't see it. It's already been opened because I signed my signature to make it legal. I'm just grabbing my swan tag out here. All right, so here's my swan tag. Gonna go ahead and notch it out. Use my new paddle I bought this week. Today.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm still shaking.
I bet.
All right, let's go ahead and see here.
Was
What month is it?
November.
And the date is the 22nd.
21st.
21st?
Hold on, let me. 21st.
There's my notch tag.
There you go.
There's a chance we might be able to shoot some ducks here if you want to wait for a minute. No, that's gonna take too long. Let's just sit in the reeds here for a minute and just see if we get a chance of some ducks. Yeah. It already looks so bad out here. Oh, yeah, dude! Come here again. Oh. Oh. I can't believe that, dude.
Yeah,
Oh,
dude.
look at these. Ready? 2 ducks coming straight at us. Right ducks. See them?
They're not gonna turn though.
They might.
Should I try?
Why not? Actually, I think you could have got those. That was close, dude. Oh, this one's to the left. What's this one right in front of us, though? Oh, there's this one right over us. Oh, they just shot at it. It's coming down! Here's where you'd fill your tag. No, look at this. Oh yeah, you'd be filling your tag right now, dude. Right over us, dude. Maybe 45 yards straight above us. Dude. Oh, dude, look at them all coming too. Holy cow. Couple of swans coming our way.
Now, okay, are we trafficking them with all these?
I think so, dude. I think so, because they keep coming towards us, and there's nothing along this bank until like way over there at the other end. I think this is what's trafficking them.
We can't say trash bags are dumb.
Yeah, I know. I can't believe it, dude. Oh wait, right here, duck. Flying straight at us. You see him? He's right over the decoys now. Flying straight at us, dude. Now, shoot him again, shoot him again, shoot him again, shoot him again. I think you winged him, dude. Dude, you totally were on him, though.
I think I winged him.
They're the right ones too, dude. You can hear them. Oh, dude, this one. Oh yeah, third person filled their tag just now. Third imaginary person. Dude, there's more right out there. Oh shit, they're going into those guys. Oh, but they're probably gonna get bumped from the guys moving. I wonder if those guys can retrieve the duck or the goose or the swan. It might have flown too far.
Duck, goose, quail, damn it!
Oh, this one's to the left. What's this one right in front of us, though? Oh, there's this one right over us. Oh, they just shot at it. It's coming down!
Nice.
Oh, shit, they're gonna have a long walk. They're the right ones, too, dude.
Mm-hmm.
You can hear them.
Hot.
Too hot to handle. All right.
Look at that thing.
Did you want me? Grab a leg. Just pick it up or something. Grab a leg, take a wing maybe? I don't know. Well, that concludes that hunt. First swan in the books. Big old beautiful gorgeous tundra. Got lucky having my buddy Brad here with me. Oh yeah, only took 2 days to get her done. Gorgeous bird. You can see our trash bag decoy setup in the background here. It worked a lot better than we thought it was. Trafficked some birds. We even had 3 swans swim across the lake trying to get to these decoys. Maybe I made too much noise or something when they got here, but then they skirted us. Went on down, got shot at, came back, flew over them, but I had snuck away from them and missed my opportunity there. But yeah, this is a freaking hunt. It doesn't matter, we don't have to get everything. Here's Brad picking up the spread. What was that? Like 50 trash can bags? I doubt it was gonna work, but it did. Used a bunch of trash can bags. Decoyed 3 birds this like an hour ago, and then we started, when everything started trafficking through the area, it seemed like they were turning and coming over us, and I ended up getting one. Had a few shots at some ducks today too, but they just didn't want to come down. I doubt it was gonna work, but it did. Used a bunch of trash can bags. Decoyed 3 birds this, like an hour ago. Trash bags work. There's a swan in there.
So we're going to the tip of the bill and the back of the nair. Ooh. Let's see. You are right at 60, so you're good.
Nice. How big is too big?
Gloves, you're right at 60.
Oh, it's right at the limit?
Yep. Yeah, so 99% of swan bills measuring above 62 are trumpeters.
Oh, so he's a big for what he is.
You're right at it, yep. But
cool.
Yeah, with that little...
Oh my goodness, I can't believe we freaking got it, dude. I lost faith, I'll admit. I was really low. I wasn't positive we were gonna get it because of the last 2 days of hunting. This is literally 2 days of hunting right now. But because of you, Brad, that's the reason I got it. No, I'm serious. You're the reason I shot this one.